God, good morning guys. I don't know if it is morning or evening. I'm off today, so I'm gonna take my son to the bookstore to get some books. What we're gonna do today, and maybe we get some lunch as well. Okay guys, we just got in and this place is huge, so I don't know when I'm gonna find people. It's a lot. Hopefully him find some books where keep him interested and want to read more. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Okay guys, he got his books.
Volume 103 and volume 104.
Yes. So now we're gonna go get some food.
Volume 4 is coming out in September. I'm excited for that. And there's a card game. I didn't know that.
That's what he said. They know their stuff. Okay guys, so let's go. Hey guys, we're at McDonald's and we're gonna try, what's the name of the
Grimace Shake. I don't even think they have it there still, but I think it might be.
Grimace?
It's a Grimace. Grimace.
Okay.
Grimaces.
Okay.
And if they don't have it, we'll just get a normal shake.
Just get it. Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, we're gonna try that and see how that turned out. I'm probably gonna get I don't know. Guys,
McDonald's didn't have a shake.
right.
They had the best shakes.
So we did plan to go to McDonald's to try them
Grimace
shake, and they don't have it. So you know what? We just kind of kill the vibe. So we just have to go to Dairy Queen to go get a shake, and then we'll go somewhere else to go eat. Okay, guys. So yeah, we did plan to get a shake, but as you can see,
we got blizzards
instead, why not?
I got s'mores. This is good.
Oh, Lord.
We gotta go, Jenny. We gotta go.
I know.
I want that blizzard to melt. Because when it melts and then you put it back in the freezer,
It tastes
taste,
funny.
It doesn't taste the
true.
same. Hold up. Can you hold it for a second, Timmy? Thanks, Timmy. This is good.
Triple CFB FMHD1 Daytona Beach, Orlando. Make sure to grab our freestyle.
And we'll get number 8.
I'll take a number 8.
And number 8, what
Drink.
size?
Drink.
Wait, what size? Medium.
Medium. Drink.
And what kind of drink?
Water. Sorry, I already have this.
Coke. And I'll do number 1 with Coke as well.
Okay, that complete your order?
Yes.
1988, okay?
Thank you. Finally get to eat it.